instructor? Or do you have an interest in educational matters? Do you think there's more potential to unlock from online teaching and learning? Online learning notoriously lacks student engagement. Research has shown a clear link between student engagement and student performance. Most online teaching is not delivering on this promise. If you are looking for a breakthrough, this channel is for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Johan Venter and I have 30 plus years of experience in education, primarily as a leader in South Africa's vocational training sector. Towards the end of my career, COVID and the fourth industrial revolution compelled me to explore and harness the rich variety of free tools available to trainers to create and then deliver their skills online. It was from this experience that my interest in Moodle, H5P and other free tools grew. I also realized that as educators, we are not using PowerPoint as an educational tool to the extent that we should. I think there are 5 things that I can share through this channel to help improve student engagement in online education and training. Firstly, educators and trainers have the power and responsibility to take ownership of their own online content. So I'll always be pushing that point. This doesn't mean that external instructional designers or content creators are not required. They are, particularly with large projects that's beyond the scope of individual educators. By mastering all available tools though, educators empower themselves to tackle everyday online teaching tasks efficiently and to play an informed leadership role in large projects. So, this channel proposes to empower you with tools available to you for free. Moodle, H5P, PowerPoint from an educational point of view, Scratch and others. Secondly, on this channel I bring you practical and insightful tutorials on the tools I just mentioned. There are lots of excellent how-to videos on the nuts and bolts of these tools, but my focus will be on how to integrate them so they work together. If you need more detailed explanations on how to use a specific tool, please leave a comment below the video and I will come back with further explanations. Thirdly, in addition to the video tutorials, I provide actual working examples of the tools in action in mini demonstration courses. You can access them for free on my Moodle site. To create an account and enroll in these courses is risk-free and easy. Some basic personal information is required. Because it is a Moodle site, personal data is handled according to global best practices. If you want your data returned to you and removed, you can simply request it to be done. Your data will never be shared. Fourthly, I also offer a Udemy course focused on creating and publishing PowerPoint animations for educational purposes. Some of the things I explain on this channel is also covered in that course's free preview lessons. I'll then use the opportunity of this channel to refer you to the Udemy course. You have noticed that I use PowerPoint presentations to create my videos, including this one. As an additional resource to my Udemy students, I post links to some of these presentations in my Udemy course. Fifthly, I use this channel to share an exciting opportunity with all who may benefit from it. Enroll in my Udemy course and you will receive complimentary hosting for one course of your own on my Moodle site for an entire year. This gives you the opportunity to apply the techniques highlighted on this channel and experiment with up to 50 students. So for the very modest fee associated with the coupon link below, you get hosting of your own Moodle course and you get the skills to create educational grade PowerPoint animations. If you find this valuable, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and stay informed about the ever-evolving landscape of educational technologies. The links to enroll in my Udemy course and access to my free Moodle site with all the demonstration courses are provided in the description below. Do not forget to redeem the valuable Udemy coupon, for it expires. Thank you for tuning in. I look forward to our journey toward new levels of learner engagement in online learning. Your time is precious and I'm grateful you chose to spend it with me.